Sai Krok Isan is a popular Thai sausage from the Isaan region of northeastern Thailand. It's known for its tangy, garlicky flavor and chewy texture. Traditionally, it's made with pork and rice, which give the sausage its distinctive sour taste as it ferments. Here's a recipe to make Sai Krok Isan at home. Ingredients: 1 pound, 450 g, ground pork, with a good amount of fat for moisture. Half a cup sticky rice, cooked and cooled. 4 cloves garlic, minced. Half a teaspoon salt. Half a teaspoon sugar. A quarter teaspoon white pepper. Sausage casings. Natural hog casings work best. Vegetable oil, for grilling or frying. Instructions. 1. Prepare the rice. Cook the sticky rice according to package instructions. Allow it to cool completely before using it in the sausage mix. 2. Prepare the sausage filling. In a large mixing bowl, combine the ground pork, minced garlic, salt, sugar, and white pepper. Add the cooled sticky rice to the mixture. Mix thoroughly until all the ingredients are well incorporated. The rice should be evenly distributed throughout the meat. 3. Stuff the sausages. Prepare the sausage casings by rinsing them in warm water to remove excess salt, if using salted casings. Using a sausage stuffer or a funnel, stuff the pork and rice mixture into the casings. Be careful not to overstuff as the sausage may burst during cooking. Twist the sausages into 3 to 4 inch lengths, then prick them with a needle or a pin to release any air pockets. 4. Ferment the sausages. Place the sausages on a tray or hang them in a cool, dry place for 1 to 2 days to ferment. The fermentation gives Sai Krok Isan its signature tangy flavor. In a warm climate, 1 day might be enough. In cooler temperatures, it may take longer. 5. Cook the sausages. Once fermented, the sausages can be grilled or pan-fried. If grilling, brush the sausages with a bit of vegetable oil and cook over medium heat until they are golden brown and cooked through, about 15 to 20 minutes. If frying, heat a small amount of oil in a pan over medium heat and cook the sausages, turning occasionally, until browned on all sides. 6. Serve. Serve Sai Krok Isan with sticky rice, fresh vegetables, like cabbage, ginger, and Thai bird chilies, and a side of dipping sauce, like sweet chili sauce.